Okay, so I'm gonna walk down to what is it called? The artisan market. And I have bought art here before, but that's when I had a little more money in my pocket. I need to be very careful with my budget. It's my first full day here, and I'm a little concerned. It's too much good food to eat and too much fun stuff to buy. Okay, so I found the artist that I bought from, I don't know, 5 or 6 years ago. And his work is, can you see it? Absolutely stunning. His process is taking black photo paper and etching out. Now this is his younger brother's work. Same process, different feel. I mean, can you imagine taking an X-Acto knife and etching that out? Jeez. Absolutely stunning. Loving the artwork. Loving the artwork. Okay, how cliche of me. Come to Mexico and I get my fucking hair braided. But I don't feel like doing my hair every day. So, la 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 la. And I had a fresh comb. It wasn't old and used. I'm not going to get head lice. The woman was very kind, fun to talk to, excellent English. And I practiced a little bit of Spanish with her and felt like an idiot. Ciao. So I was searching for shrimp ceviche. I love it. I can't pronounce it well. But some dude told me, go up the street. Don't pay these prices the tourists are paying. Go up the street to this guy that makes it on the corner. He has this blue umbrella. It's delicious. And so I did. And there was a long, long line. But I had somebody help me finally so I could get in there and get some food. It was so good. So after being ignored for at least a good 20 minutes, it seemed like, all these men were getting served before me, and I'm standing, like trying to stand in front of them, and I felt invisible. I totally felt invisible. And that's what I get for not knowing the language, and not being very aggressive either. So I'm watching, and this gentleman says, hey, she would like some. She's in line. And it's like, what a gentleman. How very kind of you. And so he did all the translation for me and spoke to the men, because the men wouldn't really speak to me or even look at me. And I got a hell of a deal for about $3. A rice, sweet rice and cinnamon drink, and a big old cup of shrimp ceviche. I hope that I'm pronouncing that right. I always feel silly because I don't know how to say things. I can't speak Spanish. I'm trying.
Thank you.
Oh, it was good. My new friend. What a gentleman. Okay, so I got lucky tonight. It's an art walk night, and I'm surrounded by what am I surrounded by? I'm surrounded by galleries, and so tonight's my lucky night. If I can get across the street, that seems to be the challenge thus far. Okay, motherfucker, let's go. And I hope I can film in the galleries. If it was my artwork, I wouldn't want to. So I wouldn't want people filming me in the gallery. We'll see. hours and I finally get fish tacos. Yum, 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 yum.